Sonic launches on October 30, 2025, for $70, reviving a classic early 2000s design with playful, energetic flair. Inspired by Sonic the Hedgehog, the sneaker features a bold electric blue mesh upper, with red, silver, and yellow accents that energize the design. A Sonic graphic on the insole adds a nostalgic finishing touch. Tailored for kids, this unisex trainer blends style and functionality, offering a standout choice for school days, outdoor play, or weekend hangouts. Engineered with quality materials, it provides superior foot support during active wear. As part of Puma's lifestyle collection, the Inhale Sonic delivers a modern twist on retro aesthetics, pairing sleek visuals with comfort-focused construction. Whether worn for fun or fashion, this release merges pop culture charm with everyday practicality, making it a top pick for the next generation of sneaker fans.